you guys. I'm gonna head on back. Car. Who's on down here? Love this color. 1950 Pontiac.
Yeah.
Back it in. No back up here on that one. Go rider. No back up here in that car. No back up here in that car. What year is this one? How long have you had it? Oh, at least someone knows. 59 grand, you guys. 218-244-1682. Nice. Love it. Another convertible here. Nice. Look at that bad boy. There's a wagon over there. Convertible over there. Little two-seater. Back by the cookies. We'll work our way over. Nice truck right there. I like that. Love these old trucks. Look at that yellow truck over there. That's nice. Kind of walk over here. That's oh my goodness. Tell out of rain. Very nice. Just kind of go and go and go and go and go. It's a Bel Air over there. Oh, Bel Airs. Water right here. Be careful. Nice yellow. The Bella wagon over there. That's nice. Nice one. $58. Like the dice. Nice one. Red hot, baby. Nice. It's a nice one right here. 4-door. Oh yeah, rev it up, man. Rev it up. Rev it up. Purple Rain, man. All kinds of stuff you can buy here too as well. Yeah. For your good. That's cool one, that's it.
Those Harleys are down there.
They're two-door. That one's worth some money, trust me. Two-door. That's nice. All kinds of stuff here, man. You want to eat. That's a big boat right there, people. For sale, man. 1952 Chevy. 13K, really? 715-475-9917. Really? Put the top down, bro. Put the top down. Go down here. Yeah, they cruise around all day long. This cruise. They used to cruise up and down University Avenue all the time, and that used to be a constant. And then people started causing trouble. So, see, waiting for pizza. We went to the Taste, the summer behaviors. What kind of car is that? What kind of car is that?
It's
Wow, it's nice.
it's my wife's cousin's.
Really? Oh wow.
They just got it like this.
Oh really? Yep.
Skylark.
64, yeah. Skylark, yep. Very nice. Oh, that's bad boy. Very nice. Oh, look at that bad boy. That's nice. Very, very nice. We'll make our way over the other side. Snow White should be here. That's a beautiful Impala. Usually it's a different spot, but there's just so many to see here. So we'll work our way around, get out of here. So anyways, here's a cool one right here, Iowa.